Hi there, Frennies! Welcome back to Money Frennie TV. First and foremost, I want to give a shout out to all my Frennies. I see the likes, I see the comments, and I thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. I see that you guys are rocking with me, and I just want you to know that I really appreciate each and every one of you, and just continue to rock with me, and let's grow this channel. If you're new to this channel, I would really appreciate it if you leave a comment, subscribe, and please share with someone that you think would be interested in this channel. Alright, now we're gonna get into this video. Okay, so for today's item, I'm going to be talking about another one of my Louis Vuitton faves. By the way, if you haven't seen my What's in my Louis Vuitton Speedy Bandolier 30 bag, you can check it out right here. So for this item that I'm going to be talking about, it's an item that I think is an essential. If you're looking for a first luxury item for you to buy, or if you just wanted to test out an item to see if you're interested in the brand or whatever, I would definitely recommend this item. This item is a must-have. It is very essential, and I just felt like I wanted to share. If I had to do a Louis Vuitton starter pack, this would definitely be my number one item that I recommend. And now let's talk about it. So this item is going to be my Louis Vuitton key pouch. Some people refer to it as the Louis Vuitton Cles. So this is what the item looks like. I know it looks really small, and as they say, it's considered a small leather good. I use it every single day, and I'm gonna tell you all about it. But first, you know me, I always have to give a backstory. Pretty much, I received this item as a Christmas gift from my mom almost 3 years ago, I would say. I received it in this cute package right here. Yes, I saved it from 3 years ago. So it came in this box with this. As you can see, I guess this was their Christmas packaging at the time. And it's a slider box. When you slide it open, the item was in there, and it was also in a Louis Vuitton dust bag. As far as the dust bag, honestly, I have no idea what I did with it, but it was really cute. It came in the dust bag. Also, I have the receipt. My mom gave me the receipt just in case I wanted to exchange it and get the monogram print, because as you can see, I have it in a damier Ebene. And this is the receipt. At the time of purchase, it was $200, and with the tax and everything, it came down to $213.75. But now they have the last time I checked on the Louis Vuitton store, it was going for $215, because you know they have the price increases. And also you can see where she purchased it. This was at the mall at Short Hills, if you're living in New Jersey. Okay, so there are different uses for this pouch. Pretty much you could use it as your card holder, which I do. I use it as my card holder on a daily basis. And also I would have my keys attached to this. So this holds around, let's see how many cards I have in this. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this could hold up to 9 cards. And sometimes I would fit a dollar bill in here. I would throw a $20 or a $40 in here. So this could fit up to 9 cards, maybe even more. But for me, 9 cards and like a bill or two. Very essential. I carry this around as my wallet. I don't have anything else that I use. Like, this is my wallet. It's very essential. It's very small, and it's just very convenient. Another use for this is you could also use it as a key chain, just like this. And this is pretty much how I use it. I use it both ways. I carry my keys on there, and I also have my cards and my bills in there. And normally I would hook this on whatever I'm wearing, or if I'm carrying a bag, I would also do that. Another way for you to style it is, let's say if you didn't want to use it as a card holder and you wanted to use it as a key holder, you could take the keys like this, put it in, close it up, and there you go. That's your key holder. Another use for this is that you could use it as a mini cosmetic case. So for example, I am able to fit 2 lipsticks, or you could fit a lipstick or a lip gloss or a lipstick or your mascara or something. Put it in, you put a hair tie, close it up, and there you have it. You could also use this as your coin pouch. Like I've seen like people just use it for their coins. They put their jingles, it's cute, and you know, like you have your coins around with you. Some people even, I've seen like someone use it as a mini emergency kit. Like they put the band-aids, a small little scissors, just like essentials for an emergency kit. So you could use it for whatever that you want. It's cute, and it's able to hold like a decent amount of stuff. So like I said before, you could carry this around on your key. Another way that you could carry this around or even wear it is that you could put it onto your outfit as an outfit accessory. You would open it up. It's kind of tricky how you open it. You would have to pull it up and out. Maybe you would actually have to have it in your hand to understand what I'm saying. It's easier said than done when you're doing it on the first try. So pretty much I would open it and just hook it on to a belt buckle and wear it around like this. So this way, whatever that I have in it, I have on me. You know what I mean? If it's a cosmetic case, I have my lippies on me. If it's a card holder, I have my cards on me. I have my essentials on me. Another way that you could use it is that if you already have your Louis Vuitton purses or whatever purse, you could hook it on to the inside, just like this, and carry it inside of your purse. So this way, you know, like normally when you have a purse and you put it in your bag, it gets lost. It's hooked on. So when you open up the bag, the first thing that pops out is your essentials. Another way is that you could also wear it on the outside of the purse, like this. So you could hook it onto here, and you have your essentials good and ready to go. Another thing, because I know someone is gonna ask, this particular one, it says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. So this one was made in France. I know like where it was made from means a lot to a lot of people. But like I said, if you were interested in this, I would recommend it. It definitely is an essential. I carry it around every day. If you're looking to get into the Louis Vuitton world of luxury, I would say to get this item. It's very affordable in my eyes, $215. It's well worth it. You're gonna get every single dollar of that back because you're gonna be using it every day. And you can't beat that. So I just like to say to all my friendies, don't forget to share this with someone who you think will be interested in purchasing this item. By the way, for all the new people, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.